Now this is the Nokia C300. In this video I will try to show you how to do hard reset through the recovery mode. Now this phone has a pattern password. Now before we start, I want to pay your attention. The current phone belonged to the US market, and for whatever reason Nokia blocked the recovery mode from the phone, so I won't be able to finish the steps. Now if you purchase the phone from a different region, maybe you have the chance, if you follow the steps, to make factory reset. For people live in the US, I will be waiting Nokia to push update, and hopefully we will be able to make a video to show you step by step how you do hard reset in case if you forget the pattern or the password on the phone. And this is variety stick 2. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't, and give me a thumbs up, and without any further ado, let's find out. Now the first step, you will need to shut the phone completely off by pressing power key or power with volume up. But if you hold the power key, you should be able to turn the phone completely off. After the phone shut down, you need to wait a few seconds, and then what you need to do, you need to press volume down and power key. Now you're gonna see Android logo. Once you see logo coming to the screen, you just have to remove your finger from the power and keep hold on the volume down. Let's go ahead and do it. So power, volume down. Once I see the Android logo, I should remove. Now we're gonna have this screen, as you guys can see, and I should be able to navigate through the volume up, down. Now if I go here, I will have start, meaning it's gonna reboot the system. If you go up using the volume down, restart bootloader, means it's gonna take you back to this menu. And we have turn off, means it's gonna shut the phone completely off. Now as I said, unfortunately this phone, maybe the one that we have here in the US, doesn't have the recovery mode. Nokia has decided to block the recovery mode, and I don't understand why they want to do this. I have no clue. Now if you have recovery mode, you just have to select by the power, and then it should take you to a different menu. You just have to choose wipe data factory reset. It should be good to go. Till the time Nokia decide to open the recovery mode, maybe I'm gonna do updated video to show you step by step. But unfortunately, if you have the same problem I have in this phone, you won't be able to hard reset the Nokia C300. I wish this video helpful. If it did, thumbs up, subscribe for more here on the channel, and I will talk to you in the next video.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, gotta